Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to resell Boomerangme in UChat. Okay, so this will be two videos that we will show you how to sell Boomerangme at a recurring monthly, yearly, or quarterly, or how to resell Boomerangme at the one-time cost. Okay, so this video we are going to talk about how to resell Boomerangme at the one-time cost. And let me first go through a demo, and then I will show you, the benefit of using UChat with Boomerangme, and also if you want to set up exactly the same thing, what you need and what the steps are. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to offer you a free template you can install and use right away. So let's get started. So first of all, let me show you a quick demo. So I already built this this flow. So I will just preview in the web chat. And imagine that you can install this in all the channels we support: web chat, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and all the other 16 social channels we support. Okay. And in this demo, it's about one-time payment. And UChat supports Stripe and PayPal payment gateways by default. And of course, if you are using the other third-party payment gateways, you can go to the mini apps and find those payment gateways to support. Okay, so let's start the demo. And in this user case, I'm going to show you how to take the payment through Stripe. Okay, PayPal is the same. When you click that button, it will go to a Stripe checkout page, and you just put your informations, and this is the demo card. Okay, put your card informations. And all this is random, and you can click pay, and we will take the payment. You are taking the payment right inside of UChat. Okay, so after that, you will receive the payment confirmations like this. You can set up your own notifications, and here we are starting to create an account for you. Okay, so we will need a couple of informations, and for example, what's your name? Okay, so I will say Matthew Test. And what's your email address? Okay, I will see matthewtest123@gmail.com. And what's your phone number? Okay. And it will ask your business name. So all this information is required from the API so that we can create the sub-accounts. So I will see Matthew Test 123. And now you can see this account is already created. Okay, we generate a random password for you, and this is the expiry date. It's 1 year because we choose the yearly plan from the API. If you are offering LTD, you can update this yearly, just add 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. That is considered LTD. Okay, so in this case, we update, I think it's 10 years or something like that. So you can click this button, and it will update them actually to 10 more years. So that is, something they can use from today and until 10 years later. So that is what we consider is LTD. Okay, so and now let me show you that you can use this login to log in your own custom domain. Okay, so for example, we will go to our custom domain, and we will log in with those details which we just created. So it will take some time. Okay, let me log out. And let's try this new account we just created, okay, in the bot. So username and use the email. This is the password. And click login, you will be logged in. Okay, so this is the new account we just created through the API. So if you can go to the settings, you can see this is the premium. They are on the premium plan. And also there is no, this is basically, LTD account that they can use. Okay, so all the features available. And basically that is the whole process, whole demo that you can see how how you can resell Boomerangme right inside of UChat. Okay, so that's the first part. We already showed the demo, and now let's talk about the benefits. Okay, so the benefits of that is UChat is a chatbot platform. Okay, we currently support 16 channels, and basically you can set up the same automation across all the channels we support, including web chat, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Google My Business, Telegram, Line, Viber, WeChat, all the channels we support. Okay, and the second is most important is UChat is a perfect combination with the Boomerangme if you want to make a complete solutions. Okay, because UChat will be a communication channel that connect your digital cards, digital loyalty cards with your local business. And we also offer the same white label partner plan so that you can white label Boomerangme, you can also white label UChat, and then you can create the solutions you can resell to the business. And also, this is a demo to show you how to sell at the one-time cost. And also in the next video, I'm going to show you how to sell Boomerangme at a reoccurring monthly. That is coming very soon. And also the payment, you can take the payment through Stripe and PayPal, which is default integration inside of UChat. And also you can use the other third-party payment gateways. So we have a lot of third-party payment gateways right now in UChat mini app marketplace. So it's like Razorpay, BillPlace, and also you can easily build your own integrations with different local party, third-party local payment gateways. And there are various use cases that you can do with UChat integrations. Reselling Boomerangme sub-account inside of UChat is just one of that. Okay, we are just starting this journey to produce more content around Boomerangme. And also you can easily generate a mobile wallet pass. Okay, that is the user can directly install. And also you can update those cards, points, rewards, stamps, whatever you want, you can update those information through UChat. And also you can trigger you can trigger the push notifications. You can send a broadcast that can trigger the push notification to certain segment of the user. And also UChat have the integrations with, web chat, Shopify, WooCommerce. You can build your own loyalty program or create a discount that user can use, or even offer the paid gift card, cashback, all those kind of different solutions. So that's the various use case you can use. And now let's talk about how to set this up, what you need, okay? First of all, you need a UChat account, okay? We have 14 days free trial. And also, if you want a free trial UChat partner plan, you can reach out to me. I will share a coupon code you can use. And second, you need a Boomerangme agency account. You need a white label agency account, which you are able to resell because we are going to use your API keys to create those sub-accounts. And the third is you need to go to UChat to install the Boomerangme agency mini app. Okay. And then inside of Boomerangme agency account, you need to set up your own pricing and your own plans, because when we create the sub accounts, we will need a plan ID. Okay, that is something you need to set up so that we can get that information when we are creating the sub accounts. So let me go to the next is steps to create account in UChat. Okay, so let's go to UChat. First of all, after you get your UChat account, you need to go to integrations. Okay, and you need to connect your Stripe or PayPal account. Okay, because that is something we are going to need, and you are going to take the payment into those accounts. That's the first step. And the second step is you need to go to the mini apps and click install mini apps, and you need to search for the Boomerangme agency. Okay, we have Boomerangme API 1.0, we have the new 2.0, and also we have the Boomerangme agency mini apps so that you can install and you will use those actions to create sub-accounts. And when you install your Boomerangme agency account, it will ask you to put your white label agency API. Okay, this is only works for the agencies, okay? And the other regular Boomerangme account do not need this, okay? So that is the set up the payment, okay? And also collect basic informations. So Boomerangme, they have the new API 2.0, which we can create subaccounts through API calls. And what they need is plan ID, which is something unique for every account. You need to know which plan you want to create subaccount with. Okay, that is something you can get from the API calls. And also we have the actions for you to list all the plans you have from your agency account. And also you can choose the plan period. You can choose monthly, quarterly, yearly, that is recurring. And we are going to show you how to set that up in the next video. And also you need to ask the account name, first name, last name they want to use, phone number, email, and also you need to have some kind of password for them, default password for them. So that is the information you will need to collect in the chatbot in order to create a subaccount. And now let's go to how to create a subaccount. And let me show you how we set that up. And also, if you are selling a lifetime deal, you can update the expiry date after you create an account. Okay, if you are selling monthly subscriptions, because UChat have Stripe payment success trigger, so that will trigger every month if it's subscriptions. And every month when that is triggered, you just update the expiry date. Okay, so that is how you can manipulate the expiry date in order to sell them recurring or one-time cost. So that is something you can do. And now let's go through the templates we have. And also at the end of the video or description of the video, we will have a free template you can download, you can store, and you can use right away. Okay, so this will be a template walkthrough. And let's go back to UChat and let me open the flows we are using. So this is a one-time payment flow. Okay, so let me show you what those informations are. So first of all, in this send message, okay, so if you click this send message, you can add a button, and you can choose select next step, and you are able to select this is Stripe payment, this is PayPal payment, and you can type the amount you want to sell, and that basically will allow you to collect the money. Okay, and here continue to step when the payment is succeed. So that is when the payment is completed, you are going to move to the next step. In the next step, you are going to use chatbot to collect the informations we need. Okay, so I will close this, and this is the next step. Okay, we are just a couple of 4 or 5 question node. We are asking that name, phone number, email, business name, and also we use one very simple action, that is set user custom fields, and in the operation we just choose generate random text. So this will be used as a random password. Okay, so after we collect all these basic informations, and if you install the Boomerangme agency mini app, put your API keys, and you will able to use this create new account action. In this create new account action, you need to get your plan ID, which is something you can get. Let me show you integrations, Boomerangme agencies, and here you can get tariff plan. No, you can list all tariff and plans. So that will include the plan ID. Okay, so you can get your plan ID from there. And let me delete this. And you choose your plan ID, you choose the period you want to charge, and use all the information you already collect in the chatbot. And then you can just run this action, and you can save the response code, component ID, user ID, expiry date into a user custom fields to use. And if it all goes through, you can display the account login details, the emails, the password, and the expiry date. And also, if you have your white label login domain, you can display the login details as well. And also in UChat, you can add a send email action so that you can send the email login, send that login details through email. And because, like I said, if you are selling monthly or yearly, you need to keep updating the expiry date, right? So we have action, because this is date, time, custom fields, you can actually add months, days, weeks, hours to update this expiry date. And then you can use an action in the Boomerangme agency that is called update account. Okay, so you can update the account. You will need the company ID, and you need a new expiry date, and you can update the account. Okay, that is how we are managing to sell this monthly or as the one-time payment. Okay, so this is all the templates we have, and also I will just go over how to sell this monthly. Okay, I don't want to record another videos, so I just say we get this over with. So let me show you how to sell this monthly. It's very simple. Okay, it's just a little different is because you are using, for example, this buy subscription. Okay, I will show you how to set that. And then you choose buy. That will bring all the, this is the Stripe integrations. Okay, here, what you can set up is you can customize, you can dynamic generate a one-time checkout. But for the subscriptions, you need to go to your Stripe account. You need to create a subscription product first. Okay, after you create a subscription product first, and here you can select. If you click this drop down, you can see all the subscriptions you have. Okay, you just choose one that is the price you want to sell, the price you want to charge them every month, every year, or every quarter. Okay, that depends on you. And basically, this is the first step. And after that, you just connect the same steps. And after that, you collect the basic informations. That is all the same. Okay, and you just need to be aware that when you are create the sub accounts, you need to know to choose the right plan period. Okay, so if you are charging monthly, you need to create a monthly. Okay, the expiry date will be monthly. If you are going to yearly, that will be yearly. Okay, that is actually up to you. So basically, this is the same steps. Okay, and how you can manage to update that every month is you need to go to automations, and you need to go to the triggers, and you need to click the new trigger, and we actually have a Stripe invoice payment succeed. Okay, so that is reoccurring trigger. Okay, and it will happen for every user. So what you can do is very simple. You just every time when there is a success payment, you can capture those triggers and trigger a flow. And in that flow, you just simply have one action. You just update the expiry date. You just use a set, use a custom fields. You choose the date, time, expiry date, custom fields. And then depending on your, your cycle, billing cycle, you just update them 30 days or ask them a year or whatever you want. Basically, every time when the payment is success, they will able to use it for another billing cycle. Okay. And then after you change the expiry date, you just use this update account action, so that will update that account. So that is how you can manage to sell Boomerangme, sub account at reoccurring or one time. Okay, so I will drop the template link, and also we have the blog post about the detailed setup, how to resell. And I will drop the template you can install and also the blog post that you can reference. Okay. Yeah, I hope you like it. This is just the starting of our, more education content about Boomerangme. And I will show you how to use mobile wallet and with the chatbot in the coming weeks. Okay. See you. Bye.